In this video, you'll learn how to create an automatic price alert on Perplexity. By following these steps, you will set up notifications for price changes on your desired products or stocks within the platform. Begin by opening Perplexity AI in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, navigate to the Spaces section, which is typically located in the menu or sidebar of the interface. This area allows you to manage various projects or topics of interest. After you have accessed Spaces, locate the specific space where you want to set your price alert, locate the space name to enter it. You should see a dashboard that displays the contents and activities. Next, look for the option labeled Create Alert or New Price Alert. This button is usually prominently displayed within the Space interface. When you click on it, a new window or dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter details for your alert. In the alert creation window, input the name of the product or stock for which you wish to receive notifications. Additionally, specify your target price or the condition that will trigger the alert. This is an important step as it defines when you will be notified about price changes. Once you have entered the product and target price, proceed to set the notification frequency. This option allows you to choose how often you want to be alerted about price changes, whether it be immediately, daily, or at another interval that suits your needs. After configuring your alert settings, ensure that you save your changes. Look for a save button, usually located at the bottom of the alert creation window. Clicking this will finalize your settings. The alert will now be active and you will receive notifications directly within the space whenever the price changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.